Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial series with C programming. Really appreciate that you guys are still hanging in there. And in this lesson, we're actually going to go through the if-else-if statement. So it's an extension of the if-else statement. And essentially, I'm just going to start writing it out here. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of follow the previous tutorial. And all this stuff was from the previous tutorial that you guys have probably seen. We're going to evaluate our Jedi rank again. But this time, in comparison to what we did in the previous tutorials, is we want to evaluate our Jedi rank on multiple levels. So we don't want to just evaluate this first statement and then prove and then have an else statement. If this is false, then it resorts to the else. What we want to do is have this statement, and then we're going to put a printf, and we're going to put this equals 1. So whatever. They put in 1, and it's going to say, hey, it equals 1. Alright, so that's pretty narrow because there's all those other numbers out there. So we had an else statement that would capture anything else, but now we're going to add on the else if, and that allows us to write another statement. So we could put if this isn't true, if it's false, it's going to move on to the next statement where it's going to go, if this is true, continue on, and so on and so forth. So we're going to put 2 in here for demonstration purposes, and then again we can put our code. So if this statement proves to be true, it's going to execute this code. If it doesn't, it's going to move on to the next thing. So Jedi ranks 2, we're going to have another printf that's, let's say, equals 2, and then what we're going to do is copy and paste this out. Copy that, whoopsie, return out of here, paste that in there. We're gonna move down here, what in the world, paste that out of there. Alright, it looks like I've already got some errors coming up, and that's because I haven't put semicolons to complete these statements here. So don't forget that. Okay, and we're also gonna change these because we don't want 2's in all of them. Let's change them to, let's see, a 3 there, and a 4 there, and a 4 there. So let me go over this because we're just kind of writing in our stuff. So now it's going to go if the Jedi rank is equivalent to 1, and that proves true, it's going to